Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Windows 11 and the most important hotkeys. So the first block of the most important hotkeys is hotkeys to work with text more efficiently. Here I have a file with some random text, and if I want to select all text in this file, I use Ctrl-A. If I want to copy selected text, Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V to paste selected text, Ctrl-X to cut selected text. It will delete selected item, and then I can use Ctrl-V to paste this deleted item. So Ctrl-Z to undo the last action, and Ctrl-Y to reverse the last undo action. These were the most important hotkeys to work with text, and one more important hotkey that use Control button is Ctrl-Shift-Escape. By pushing these buttons, we will open the task manager. So also very important hotkey is Alt-Tab. This will allow you to switch between open tabs and windows. So next block of important hotkeys is hotkeys which use the Windows key. First hotkey is just pushing the Windows. It will show you the start menu. Pushing Windows I will open the settings app, and Windows D will minimize all the opened windows, and clicking the Windows D once again will show all the recently minimized windows. Windows A will show you quick settings, Windows V will show you widgets, Windows E will open File Explorer app, and Windows N will show you your notifications, and Windows Shift S will provide to you the mode of taking screenshots, and here you can, just by pushing the left mouse key, select some area of desktops that you are interested in, release your mouse button, and he will take a screenshot. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.